Guys, good evening. So in this video I want to show you guys how to solve this symbol on your machine, E-07, error E-07, right? Now this machine, the head has seized as a result of the needle broke with force when I was trying to put my reel, right? So in this video I will show you guys how to solve this. The head is stiff, as you can see. It's no longer moving. The head is no longer moving, right? So let us learn together how to fix this, and then help me to like and share, comment, and also tell me how impactful this video might be to you. Let's get down to the work proper.
Alright, so now at this point, we have to use a screwdriver and turn here gradually until we bring out the side until it rotates this way. So we have to do it gradually. So this is the point. You have to hit, as you can see. So when you hit it, it will rotate. It will rotate. It will rotate. Then you have to also apply oil there to make it free or freer. So this is the point you have to hit for it to rotate backwards. So hit it gradually. Please don't use force until it rotates. Once the head is locked, this is where to hit until it rotates. So now let's test what we have got. Let me on the socket here. On it here. Let's see. Yay! It's now working perfectly well. As you can see, this is the old solution. So this is the hack for you to use to achieve this. See how it's moving now smoothly. And the head is now rolling, right? So this is how you will handle E-07. Please make sure that it's only when the head is strong to move that you will do this. Every other error has its own solution. Thanks for watching. At this point, you can still adjust the timing. If you notice that the needle is not entering, you have to adjust this, adjust the timing, right? Using the knots here. So once you adjust the timing, then you set it properly. Hold the screwdriver to the hair until the needle is able to penetrate inside. Once the needle is penetrating inside, you now tighten it. You now tighten it. So watch it closely. You now tighten it. So once the needle is able to penetrate inside, you now tighten it. So you have to adjust it from here. And just now tighten the both of them properly. So the needle is now moving in properly, right? So this is how you adjust it easily. You can now pedal it to be sure that what you worked on is good enough. So soak with your plates and make sure the plate is positioned properly. Go with your hand before you now start tightening. Now let's test what we have fixed and see how it goes, right? Let's test it. Yeah, look at it. It's working perfectly well. Go the under. It's working perfectly well. So keep on testing it. If you notice that it's not working well, you adjust the knob. You can adjust the knob from there to make sure it's giving you the finishing you are looking for. You adjust the knob from there. And then for it to be nice. Look at the threading. It's so fine. So let's test on a fresh fabric. This is a fresh cashmere pieces, right? Let's take a closer look at the threading. I think it's very nice. And then the under as well, it's also good. So we are done and then we are off the machine. This is what it is. Alright, so I hope this video will help you to fix yours when you have similar problem. Don't forget, error E-07 is what I handled in this video.